Good morning, children. Hope you are well. See, children, as you can see with the picture or the chart, that today what I am going to teach you, children. See, today I am going to teach you about our body parts. The spelling of body is B-O-D-Y, body. Parts, P-A-R-T-S, parts. We all have our body, and in our body there are many body parts. And today, as you can see, children, and today I am going to teach you about the body parts with the name and spelling. So let's start. We will start from above. Okay, children. So what it is, children? This is the body part which is above the head. Okay, which is above the head, and this is called hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Okay, above our forehead, our body is covered with small hair. Okay, this is called hair, and the spelling of hair is H-A-I-R, hair. The color of our hair is black, but in different countries people have different hair colors like brown and goldens. Okay, now what is this, children? This is called eyebrow. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W, eyebrow. Okay, children, eyebrow is the body part which is in our face and which is covered with small hairs. Okay, now next, this is the body part which is called as face. F-A-C-E, face. This entire part is called face. Okay, children, this is called face. Now next, below the face, see, children, what it is? White. Okay, this is the body part which is called as teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Children, what is the color of the teeth? The color of our teeth is white. Okay, children, and every day you have to brush your teeth to keep your teeth clean and healthy. That is the good habit. Okay, great. Now, children, in the teeth, okay, under the teeth, there is the body part which is pink in color. Everybody has that body part. Okay, and this body part helps to taste the food. Okay, what are the taste of the food? We will realize from this body part. So this body part is called as tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The color of our tongue is pink. Okay. Below the tongue, there is the body part. Okay. This body part is called as chin. C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Okay, children. Now, there is the body part. Okay, this body part is called as chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Okay, children, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Now, this is the body part which is called as elbow. In our hands, okay, there is a part which is help to fold our hands, and this is called as sorry, children, elbow. Spelling of elbow is E-L-B-O-W. Once again, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. The spelling of elbow is this. Now, another body part is our finger. This is our finger. Everybody has 10 fingers, 5 fingers in the left hand and 5 fingers are in the right hand. Fingers, spelling of finger is F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Finger we use to counting. Okay, counting or pointing out anyone or writing. Okay, this is called finger. Now, here is the body part which is called waist. Children, where waist is the body part which is located where we used to wear our pant or belts. So this body part is called as waist. Spelling of waist is W-A-I-S-T, waist. Okay. Now there is the body part below the waist. Okay, this is called knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Knee is the body part which is helps to fold our legs. Okay, this is completely called as slip. Now this body part, that means the finger in our leg, is called toe. T-O-E, toe. This is called toe. Now this side, this is the body part which is called head. Okay, our hair is covered with our head is covered with hair, and this is called head. Okay, can you see? Spelling of head is H-E-A-D, head. Head is the very important body part, okay, in all human body. Okay, people think from head. Okay, and head is very important body part. Understood? Now eye. Children, below the eyebrow, the body part is called as eye. E-Y-E, eye. We all having two eyes. Okay, we used to see from our eyes and think from our head or brain. Okay, children. Now below the eye, there is a body part which is called as ear. E-A-R, ear. Ear is the body part which is we use for listening any sound, okay, or voice or noise. Now below the eyes, there is a body part which is called as nose. N-O-S-E, N-O-S-E, nose. Nose is the body part which helps to smell all kind of fragrance, whether it is good or bad smell. Okay, tongue already taught. Once again I am teaching you. Tongue is the body part which is in our mouth, and the color of tongue is pink, and spelling is T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. And tongue helps to taste different kind of things. Now arm. A-R-M, arm. This is the body part which is called as arm. The upper part of hand, and this part is called hand. Entire part is called hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Hand is used to carrying things, taking things, writing, holding, like that. Now stomach. See, this part is called stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Stomach is also a very important body part. Our food when we eat goes on stomach. Okay, and here only all the digestion parts is going on. Now leg. This is our leg. Spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. We all having two legs. Okay, and feet. Below the leg there is the part, it is called feet. Feet is the part where we used to wear our socks and shoes. This part is called feet. Spelling of feet is F-E-E-T, feet. Okay, children. So these all are our body parts, and each and every body parts have very important role in our body. So we have to keep our body healthy and clean by eating good food and developing good habits which are good and healthy for our body. So please children, do watch this video carefully and learn all about the body parts name along with the spelling. So thank you children, and have a very nice day.